Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video, I will talk about Decentraland price prediction and Decentraland news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Decentraland in 2022. Decentraland, MANA, defines itself as a virtual reality platform based on the Ethereum blockchain that allows users to create, serve and monetize content and applications. In this virtual reality, users buy land that they can later navigate, build on, and monetize. Decentraland was launched following a $24 million initial coin offering, ICO, that took place in 2017. Virtual World launched its closed beta in 2019 and opened to the public in February 2020. Since then, users have created a wide range of experiences on their land sites, including interactive games, extensive 3D scenes, and many other interactive experiences. Decentraland was created by Ariel Milik and Esteban Ordano, who have retired from their core roles on the project, but are still working with Decentraland as advisors. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Decentraland. First news, we talk about weekly wrap. What's happening in the Metaverse this week? Well, Heineken has launched a virtual beer to troll the Metaverse space. Accenture is creating a new business group to explore developments in this space. Meanwhile, a South Korean financial institution has sent its employees to train on the Metaverse. Here's a rundown of some of the hottest Metaverse news over the past week. Former Disney CEO Bob Iger joins Metaverse startup board. The Metaverse has been touted as the next big thing. While this claim is subject to debate, there have been a number of high-profile plays within the Metaverse space. For instance, in January, Microsoft acquired Activision Blizzard in a big Metaverse push. After 16 years in Disney, former CEO and chairman Bob Iger is making a foray into the Metaverse. Last Monday, Metaverse startup Genies announced that Iger was joining its board and will help it navigate its mission to empower humans to create their own avatar ecosystems. The Los Angeles-based company is popular among many A-listers like Jennifer Lopez, Rihanna, and Lil Nas X. The company reportedly controls about 99% of the share of the celebrity avatar market and has Warner Music Group and Universal Music Group as its clients. Commenting on his move into the Metaverse, Iger said, "I've always been drawn to the intersection between technology and art, and Genies provides unique and compelling opportunities to harness the power of that combination to enable new forms of creativity, expression and communication." This is the first public Metaverse play from the former Disney CEO, who served as the chief executive from 2005 to 2020. Iger stepped down as chairman last year. Meanwhile, Genies co-founder and CEO Akash Nigam said, "We believe that avatar ecosystems are going to be the mobile apps of Web3. An ambitious vision calls for rare mindshare, and I can't think of a better creative and product thinker than Bob to collaborate with in bringing this all to reality." Disney itself has been making moves into the non-fungible token, NFT, space, launching digital golden statues of iconic Disney characters with digital collectibles brand Vive. Heineken pokes fun at the Metaverse mania with the world's first virtual beer in an apparent app at all the action going on in the Metaverse. Dutch brewing giant Heineken has debuted what it claimed to be the world's first virtual beer on Decentraland. The move is nothing more than a joke. Heineken announced the launch in a press release on Thursday. Dubbed Heineken Silver, the beer will only be available at the company's Metaverse brewery in Decentraland. Taking its joke further, Heineken invited several real journalists to witness the launch of its fake beer, later adding that guests received a treat of pixelated lobster and caviar at the launch event. According to the brewing giant, the whole idea behind the virtual beer is to poke fun at us, and many other brands, that have jumped on the Metaverse bandwagon. Describing the ingredients in Heineken Silver, the company said it is made out of the freshest pixels. No mold, no hops, no yeast, no water, and also, no beer. While having a virtual beer may come in handy in a gaming environment, Heineken believes that certain things are best enjoyed in real life, and brews are definitely one of them. Although Heineken has slammed its product with the title of the world's first Metaverse beer, this is not the first time a beer manufacturer has entered the space. Miller Lite holds the honor of creating the first beer on the Metaverse, having opened its Meta Lite bar last month. Decentraland plot sales skyrocketed in November and managed to sell up to 1,551 plots, bringing in $13.6 million. However, volumes were much higher in January at $16 million, despite land sales dropping to 1,328. This is also because the number of unique owners has fallen significantly. Landowners between November and December rose by 1,100, while between January and February, the same figure was just 549. Naturally, a lack of new users will lead to a lack of sales, and consequently, the total sales volume will also go down. Regardless, both land sales and volumes dropped to $916 and $10 million, respectively, last month. The rise again fall again strategy adopted by the market is responsible for such diminishing growth. This pattern has also kept MANA consolidated between $2.41 and $3.51, with the former serving as strong support. Despite fall-throughs and breach attempts, the resistance and support levels have remained firm and unchanged for 3 months now. How much will Decentraland cost in 2025, or how much will Decentraland cost in 10 years? Guessing price fluctuations and predicting future prices is a hell of a task. Decentraland Price Prediction 2022. It appears that by 2022, Decentraland, Mana, prices will hit a level similar to their previous all-time high. For 2022, we can expect the average rate to be $3.70. If everything goes smoothly, we predicted that Decentraland's maximum price could be up to $4.21 in 2022. Of course, there are chances that the market will fall after a long bull run, and this is normal for the cryptocurrency market. Decentraland Course Forecast 2023. Mana has great potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Decentraland, the price could rise much higher. By 2023, it may reach a maximum value of $6.18. Mana is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2023 could end with an average price of $5.37, a minimum price of $5.19, and a maximum price of $6.18. Decentraland Course Prediction 2024. In 2024, with wider adoption and partnerships between other important blockchain networks, Decentraland price will skyrocket. The maximum trading price could reach $9.01 in 2024. The price ranges will be very trendy if we stick to them. If all goes well, we can expect an average price of $8.04 with a maximum price of $9.01 for 2024. Price Mana Forecast 2025. For a long-term forecast of the Decentraland price, basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There's a possibility that the average price of Mana will rise to around $11.46 by 2025 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2025, the year could end with a maximum price of $13.49 with a minimum price. Level $11.13. Mana Rate Prediction 2026. Mana will be seen as the best option, and with a huge community, the Decentraland rate will reach new highs. Price swings are hard to predict, especially if the market is more bullish or bearish than ever. For the year 2026, the Decentraland rate will be almost $16.85. The maximum bet we can get is $20.02. Decentraland average price prediction for the end of 2026 could be around $17.30. A huge price turnover is expected in the range determined by the cryptocurrency market. Mana Price Prediction 2027. A flawless approach to this currency can be found on many websites and forums. According to this prediction platform, Decentraland will remain at its current level for a very long time. By 2027, Mana is expected to peak at $29.37. The minimum bid could rise to $24.21 if the market turns bullish.